don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel the need to tell me things. Seems like they're just happier than us these days. Yeah. And last night, I think I lost my patience. Last night, I got high as the expectation. Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it. Oh, I'm too good to you.
So today I thought I should do a little cleanup at my table, and look what I have. I'll try to use this TV as a separate screen from my laptop. Let's see how it goes. I don't have an adapter now, but I will buy it pretty soon. Once I buy it, I'll show it to you guys. But for now, I'll need to sort out my...
I just don't understand. No, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand. I don't know how to talk to you. I just know I find myself getting lost with you. Lately you just make me work too hard for you. Got me on flights overseas and I still can't get...
I can't wait to get my adapter to connect my MacBook to this. I think it's a 720p display, so not full HD, but still good for movies and stuff.
A little update as to what's going on in my life so far. I decided to make more videos about Instagram and like tips and tricks and stuff. Right after that, we're going to upgrade to a YouTube tips and tricks. Maybe, I don't know. But most likely what I want to do is to do what I've been intending to do since the beginning of this YouTube channel, is to journal my life, like to make it a proper vlog. So maybe someday, after doing like weekly videos, I might upgrade myself to daily videos, but I'm not sure I'll be able to do that, but I'll try. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, you know your friend is a true fan when his Apple Watch shows this.